How to cut audio in iMovie on Mac. The first thing you want to do once on iMovie, you are going to simply add the audio track. So let's say for example this audio track right here. Now to cut the audio track, all you'll need to do is select the section that you would like to cut. So let's say from this section to this section right here. So you're going to tap on the section you want to cut, then you're going to right click and you're going to select split clip. Then from there you can tap on the ending that you would like to remove and you're going to right click once more and you're going to tap on split clip. After you have done that, you can now select the section and you can tap on it. Then you're going to tap on cut and you can see that it has now removed the section, as you can see right there. Once it has been removed, that's it. You can continue with your editing. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.